Ashoka is a well-known brand offering traditional and widely enjoyed ready-to-eat Indian meals. Our team took charge of the content marketing efforts for their Amazon launch, which involved creating various components such as their brand story, A+ content premium, gallery images, and storefront.
Storefront. Salto Innovation and Corina Haro. Their team is amazing. They have a good service.
La comunicación fue súper rápida, constantemente. Cada vez que yo tenía una duda, pues siempre estaban al tanto, siempre me ayudaban y todo el trabajo quedó excelente. Me encantó.
If you know, you know. It can be a really involved process that requires a lot of patience and creativity. And we just could not have done it without their help. And I just cannot be happier, with the quality of the work. If you look at these assets, I think they do such a phenomenal job talking about our brand, talking about our origin, and speaking to the propositions of our product in such a creative way. Happy with the quality.
Thanks for their strategy and visual content, my product listing became more engaging and most likely we saw increasing on sales. I truly love working with them, and they truly understand how to create content that grabs buyers' attention and help to boost your sales.
So I've been selling on Amazon for about 5 years now, and I've worked with Salto Innovations for the past year and a half, and I've been really happy with what they've created for me. On 2 of my listings that they did for me, they're the best converting listings that I highly recommend them, and look forward to working with them on future listings.
I want to thank them for the work. We increased conversions and stood out from the competition. I highly recommend them and believe that anyone who wants to grow their Amazon storefront should be working with Salto.
Across all of our key metrics, including click-through rate as well as conversion rate.